When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades make as big an impact as a new door. A properly installed door improves curb appeal, enhances energy efficiency, boosts security, and adds long-term value to your home. But for Middleburg homeowners, door installation isn't a one-size-fits-all project. The area's humid climate, seasonal rain, and fluctuating temperatures create unique challenges that require local knowledge and precision. That's why choosing a local door installation expert is so important. Unlike general contractors who may not be familiar with the specific needs of Middleburg homes, local professionals understand the climate, materials, and building codes that influence lasting door performance. Here's why their expertise makes all the difference in ensuring a successful, durable, and worry-free installation. Understanding Middleburg's climate challenges. Middleburg's warm, humid conditions can take a toll on poorly installed or improperly sealed doors. Moisture in the air can cause wood to swell, metal to corrode, and seals to deteriorate over time. If your installer doesn't account for these conditions, your new door may develop gaps, stick in the frame, or lose energy efficiency within just a few years. Local door professionals know how to select and install doors that can withstand Florida's humidity and rain. They recommend materials like fiberglass, steel, or treated wood that resist warping and moisture absorption. Additionally, they ensure proper weatherproofing, sealing, and threshold installation to protect your home from drafts and water intrusion. By relying on an installer familiar with Middleburg's environment, you're ensuring that your door performs beautifully no matter what the weather brings. Knowledge of local building codes and standards. Every city has its own building codes and installation requirements, and Middleburg is no exception. From hurricane safety standards to energy efficiency regulations, there are local guidelines that every homeowner must follow. Hiring a professional with local expertise ensures that your door installation complies with all regulations. Whether you're upgrading to an impact-resistant entry door or replacing a sliding patio door, your installer will be up to date on Clay County permitting requirements, wind load ratings, and energy codes. This not only protects your home's integrity but also ensures you avoid costly fines or delays that can occur with non-compliant installations. Tailored material and design recommendations. Homes in Middleburg range from traditional Southern-style residences to modern new builds, and local installers understand how to match the perfect door design to your home's aesthetic and functional needs. For instance, they can recommend fiberglass doors for maximum durability in humid climates or steel doors for added security. If you live in an older home, they can guide you toward custom-sized doors or vintage-inspired designs that maintain your home's architectural charm. Because local experts have worked with a variety of Middleburg neighborhoods and home styles, they can provide personalized solutions that balance design, performance, and budget. Faster, more reliable service. When you choose a local Middleburg door installer, you're not just getting skilled craftsmanship, you're also getting responsive service. Local experts are easier to reach for consultations, follow-ups, and maintenance, providing you with peace of mind long after the installation is complete. If you encounter an issue, whether it's a loose hinge, a sticking door, or a seal that needs adjustment, you can count on your local team to respond quickly. That level of reliability is something national chains or out-of-town contractors simply can't match. Supporting local businesses also strengthens the Middleburg community, helping to sustain local jobs and ensuring homeowners like you continue to receive exceptional, neighborhood-focused service. Long-term value and lasting performance. The success of your door installation doesn't end once the project is complete. It depends on how well your door performs over time. Poorly fitted doors can let in moisture, pests, and drafts, leading to higher energy bills and frequent repairs. Local installers, however, take into account factors such as soil conditions, sun exposure, and seasonal changes to ensure your door remains properly aligned and sealed year-round. This attention to detail not only improves the lifespan of your door but also enhances energy efficiency and comfort in every season. Final thoughts. Choosing the right door installer can mean the difference between a project that lasts a lifetime and one that causes ongoing frustration. For Middleburg homeowners, hiring a professional with local expertise ensures that every aspect of your door installation, from material selection to final inspection, is handled with precision and care. Local experts understand the challenges of Florida's climate, follow regional codes, and deliver craftsmanship built to last. Most importantly, they take pride in improving homes within their own community, treating every installation as if it were their own. If you're considering a new entry, patio, or storm door, trust a local Middleburg installer to deliver beauty, security, and performance that stand the test of time.